but instead it seemed to fuel her like diesel to a fire. 1 week passed in silence, which made me more nervous than her usual antics. Then, just as I thought the chaos might finally be over, she reemerged with a new strategy.
Setting
One
up
that
a
made it clear
project
she was
to make
done
my
with
shaper
passive
workstation. I'm
sabotage.
using the shelf for
She
this
was ready
project,
for
so we got
open
everything all
war.
held down using
It
double-sided
started
tape.
with a letter, not from the HOA this time, but from a local environmental compliance group. The letter accused me of operating unlicensed energy distribution center, claiming that I was harboring unsafe voltage systems without municipal oversight. First, I laughed. Then I read the fine print. It was filed through a third-party complaint platform, one that allowed anonymous whistleblowers to submit tips about code violations. Someone had gone out of their way to make it look legitimate. They even listed fake permit violations and misquoted local energy ordinances. It was a clumsy attempt, but it had enough formatting and buzzwords to warrant a city inspection. 3 days later, a compliance officer named Hector showed up at